Hello guys, my name is Fathur Rahman from Untitled Labs. Today, I would like to present you about our new product called Getotp. Before we start, let me introduce our team. We are a fully remote team from Tokyo, Seoul, and Kuala Lumpur. And this is my teammate. And next, let me introduce Getotp. What is Getotp? Getotp is a web service that helps you implement OTP feature to your application easily with almost zero coding. Developer just need to perform a single API call to enjoy the OTP feature in their application. So how Getotp works? First, developer need to register account and grab the API key. Next, your application need to perform API call to get OTP endpoint. And lastly, your application need to redirect the user to get OTP form and let Getotp handle the OTP process. So, let's take a look at the demo video. Let's take a look on how Getotp works. Using Postman, we will perform API call to get OTP endpoint. So we need to supply 5 parameters, which is the channel, and the email, and callback URL, success redirect URL, and also the fail redirect URL. Once we perform the API call, we will get this response. So let's try first. Okay, so we got the response, and here we can see we have OTP ID, link, and OTP secret. So OTP ID serves as the reference for our web applications, and link is the link where we need to redirect the user to this link in order to show the OTP form. So now, let's see how it works on real application. What we see here is a sample e-wallet application called Lara Wallet, where user can transfer their credit to another user. So once user click submit, the application will call get OTP endpoint, and after that redirect the user to the OTP form. So let's click the submit. And now we can see the application redirected the user to the OTP form. So we can see the link here, which is the OTP OTP form link. And also the OTP code was sent out to the email, which is my email, fathur@lalocalabs.co. So let's check the email for the OTP code. Okay, so we receive here. So now we got the OTP code for the transactions, and the email was sent by Getotp on behalf of Lara Wallet. So we copy here and enter the OTP code. Okay, so once the user fill the correct OTP code, Getotp will perform the API call and redirect to the success page. So now here is the success page that user will see. So let's recap. This is where the OTP code that will be sent out, the callback URL, and this is the success redirect URL, where the user see the success page, and this is the link where we need to redirect user so the user can see the OTP form. Okay, so the demo already finished. So next is why Getotp? Getotp support multiple OTP channels such as email OTP, SMS OTP, and also voice OTP. Getotp also provided beautiful ready-made UI, and Getotp support global phone network support, so you can authenticate anywhere in the world. And lastly, it's easy to use, just single API call. So why use Getotp instead code your own solutions? As a developer, you can build your own OTP feature, but the drawback is you need to maintain the feature, which is a never-ending work. But if you use Getotp, basically you just implement our API and can rest peacefully without worrying about the OTP part. So if you choose the hard way, you can build your own, but you want to rest easily, choose Getotp. Okay. So next, use case for Getotp. Some use case is transaction OTP where you verify the application transactions. Also, registration OTP where you can allow a free field OTP form where user can input their email and phone number. So, and Getotp will verify that. Next also use case is you can verify landline numbers through voice OTP. So the plan for Getotp, our upcoming feature is user now can customize the look and feel of their OTP form. And then we will have multi-channel OTP in one single API call. So multi-channel OTP, basically you can combine both, for example, email OTP and SMS OTP. Example usage is registration. So next, our pricing. Getotp starter plan start for €5 per month. That comes with 100 API calls. So each OTP transaction will cost you 1 API cost. So register now and get free 1 month trial. We have new plans coming soon. So why do we build Getotp? Basically, Getotp started with a request by a customer. We then realized it is a bit common and repetitive for our customers. So we decided to make it into a product that solves our customers' problem. So customers for Getotp right now, we actually use Getotp for our internal products. We also use Getotp for Getotp registration, where user need to verify customer email and also phone. Also, our Getotp customers is our internal customers, and now we are opening the services to public. And lastly is the tech stack. For the telephony services, which is SMS and voice, we use Zozo API. And then we use Python with Django framework for the web application. For the front end, we use Tailwind CSS, Alpha.js, and HTMX. We host our app on Amazon Lightsail, and the demo site is powered by Laravel and hosted at Heroku. So, thank you.
Baik, terima kasih Fathur. Saya rasa macam projek yang menarik lah. Walaupun pada mulanya kita duk fikir OTP, sebab kita ramai programmer kan. Alah, buat sendiri pun boleh. tak, tapi bila setelah dibentangkan tu, saya nampaklah dia punya value-value dia dekat situ kan. Kenapa dibangunkan dan value added yang ditawarkan dan sebagainya. Memang betul lah tu, benda tu benda yang repetitif dan kalau benda tu sebenarnya banyak all these little services untuk development, untuk programmers kan. yang khusus untuk satu-satu fungsi tertentu. Jadi untuk Getotp ni saya rasa macam baguslah, syabaslah. Tapi saya pun ada persoalan-persoalan saya sendiri, tapi tak tahulah sama ada layak ke apa, sesuai ke tidak. Fathur tolong jawab tau. Sebab satunya kita tahu pasal company di belakang ini, kita tahu macam foundernya pun macam pernah terlibat dengan Jomlaunch dulu kan, iaitu Iqbal Abdullah yang sekarang ni base dekat Jepun, dan company Zozo yang Zozo telefoni tu kan. Jadi ni bila tengok ni Fathur tadi dari local labs kan, pun bekerja dengan Zozo juga ke masih lagi kan. Jadi saya nak cuba faham dia punya struktur syarikat dan kenapa local labs, kenapa tidak Zozo, yang tu kenapa?
Okay. Zozo mainly fokus dekat telephony service. So Iqbal decided untuk venture into new field. Okay, so tanpa kacau the operation dekat Zozo. So we set up another one called Local Labs. So Local Labs will focus on new products. So this is our first products to experiment with that.
So far bila launch Getotp ni?
Kalau public launch rasanya Julai, tapi the product still at the early stage. So we still developing that. So
Pasti.
New plan and new features still in the pipeline. So yeah.
Setakat ini kalau tidak keberatan berkongsi, macam mana penerimaan, dah berapa klien ataupun berapa OTP send out? Ada ke those figures?
Okay, figures. Actually because product tu memang sangat baru, we actually don't really market it. So we just care about simple metric, which is the visit and not that sign ups. So right now the usage is mostly on our internal products only.
Internal product. Okay. Tapi katanya tadi mula-mula atas permintaan pelanggan. Pelanggan tu dah pakai belum?
Yeah. Internal products means clients also.
Clients also. Existing clients.
Yeah, existing
Tapi
clients.
belum publicly marketed to the masses lah.
Yes. We just finished with the marketing plan and now plan to execute it.
Okay, ada yang bertanya kat sini, kenapa like sale? Kenapa tidak EC2 terus?
Okay, yang ni saya tak pasti untuk jawab.
Apa?
Because saya sendiri fokus dekat development. The sebuah part is handled by Kamal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Buka yang punya email, bukan Miza Venture email.
Sekejap, kita mutekan kejap. Okay. Ada satu soalan ni, mari kita tengok. Katanya, macam mana OTP handle security to generate code? Adakah ia implement any security features seperti blockchain, etc? Okay.
Okay, security part. First kita ada spam detection. So yang tu kita filter dulu. So client tak adalah rugi sebab spam je banyak dekat OTP.
Maksudnya nak prevent daripada ada sistem yang not verified as untuk apa. Nanti pakai kita punya account pula dia hantar OTP macam tu.
Yes. So kita buat in spam detection, and dekat blockchain ni we don't use blockchain right now, but we have a specific project about the security part. We call that project with code name right now is Project B. So that Project B basically focus specifically for the OTP security.
Project B.
Yep, it's a code name right now.
Okay. Internal code name lah
Yeah.
Kalau tadi so far yang dikongsikan tadi, itulah keseluruhan team untuk develop Getotp ni di bawah Local Labs.
Yes.
Actively termasuk Iqbal kan? Iqbal masih actively developing?
Iqbal not actively developing, but sometimes he contribute the idea on how he wants the product to
QC lah, QC.
Yeah.
Button ni sengit ni, kiri sikit.
That one is handled by Jong. our product design product owner.
Alright. Okay. Tadi katanya bermula dengan 5 euro
Yep.
5 euro lepas, tapi plan-plan yang lebih khusus belum dikembangkan lagi, ataupun adakah kita dah boleh subscribe dah sekarang ni? Is it available to the public to subscribe right now?
Okay, public boleh subscribe untuk starter plan, which is 5 euro. So the latest plan should be released in nearest future. Almost ready. We finalized the feature for next plan. So right now we are open to public, basically to gather the developer feedback. Not really to straight gain the customer. We want to get the real world developer feedback. So we open the starter plan first, which is 100 API call for 5 euro.
100 API call meaning almost like 100 OTP.
Yes. So for example, right, you perform 100 phone call API. So it's still 5 euro.
Oh, okay.
Yep. It's quite cheap actually, but for email, I don't think most people email should be simple, but for SMS and voice OTP, that's the challenge actually. So we provide that at the same flat rate, 5 euro for 100 API calls.
Okay, does that mean okay, when earlier in the slides when you said about voice OTP,
Yep.
it is mostly to verify landlines phone numbers, right? So that is one feature where we can verify the number of landlines, phones. But can we also use that for mobile?
Okay, mobile, you mean similar to how Google push the OTP notification, right?
No, I mean, can we use voice OTP on mobile phones?
Yes, we can. So basically, for example, you allow the registration of Jomlaunch, and then user need to verify using phone call. Okay, so
Right.
this is your OTP.
Something like how does it work? Is it all numbers, or can it not be numbers? Maybe ABC or secret word or something like that. A random secret password.
Yeah, right now it's numbers, but we actually in the pipeline also to allow the developers to set how they want their OTP codes to be sent out.
I think this is just, I don't know whether it's customers are going to pick it up or not. So maybe it's just a crazy idea. What I was saying about a random secret password was maybe something I have a list of I don't know, 1,000, 2,000 words, right? So when somebody registers to Jomlaunch and please verify your phone number, they will get a call, and the call will say your secret password is bulan dan bintang. So they have to type in bulan dan bintang. So if that would be really, really awesome, but I'm not sure whether how feasible it is to be getting a non-number OTP as well, right?
Yep.
Like a secret password like that. Okay. This has been great. I wish Getotp all the best. And
Okay.
Local Labs, we will continue to look forward to for more things from Local Lab.
Thank you. Okay, just a quick one. We have promo code for Jomlaunch, which is Jomlaunch 2021. So you guys get 3 months free of Getotp.
What, 3 months?
Yeah, 3 months. So basically, 1 month is 100 API calls. So using that promo code, you guys get 3 months. So each month get 100 API calls. So you get.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right.
Coupon code Jomlaunch 2021.
Yep.
Get it at getotp.com. Getotp.com?
OTP.dev. So I will paste in the chat section also.